The forecast shows hours of heavy rain, and that old ceiling stain suddenly feels much more important. You cannot rebuild a roof before the storm arrives, but a focused inspection can prevent several common leaks from becoming emergencies. Begin from the ground. Look for missing or lifted shingles, loose flashing, debris in roof valleys, damaged vent covers, and branches resting against the roof. Use binoculars or your phone zoom rather than climbing onto questionable roofing. Clean accessible gutters and confirm that downspouts discharge away from the house. During intense rain, one blocked outlet can fill an entire gutter, force water behind the roof edge, and concentrate runoff beside the foundation. Check valleys and low-slope transitions for accumulated leaves. These areas carry some of the roof's heaviest water flow. Never climb onto a wet roof or attempt cleaning after the storm begins. Inside the attic, look for old water trails around chimneys, skylights, vents, and roof-to-wall connections. Place a container and protective covering beneath a known drip area before the rain arrives, but keep everything away from wiring and recessed lights. Trim only branches that can be handled safely from the ground. Large limbs hanging over the roof require a qualified tree professional. Cutting them incorrectly just before a storm can create the impact you were trying to prevent. If visible exterior damage cannot be repaired in time, arrange a professionally installed temporary covering. A loose top can tear away, trap water, or become dangerous in high wind. During the storm, watch from inside. Record when the leak begins, the wind direction, and whether it appears immediately or only after prolonged rain. Those details can identify the failed drainage path later. The highest value preparation is simple. Clear the exits, inspect the vulnerable transitions, and prepare the interior beneath any known weakness. Heavy rain exposes small failures. It does not have to turn each one into major damage.